TechEmpire presents the top 5 printing calculators in this year. These are handpicked based on the prices, customer reviews, and our personal opinion. If you want updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. BIC Wite-Out Brand Easy Correct Correction Tape White. Quickly correct typed or handwritten documents with BIC Wite-Out Brand Easy Correct Correction Tape. Made by America's #1 correction brand Asterisk, this correction tape goes on dry, allowing you to make instant corrections with no mess and no waiting time, unlike the correction fluid Wite-Out liquid. Dispensing the tape is easy. Simply hold the dispenser with your thumb in the groove, position the tip flat on your paper, press down firmly, and gently move from left to right. Offering greater strength than paper-based tape, this film-based correction tape is more tear-resistant to create tidy, inconspicuous corrections that last. The self-winding mechanism helps prevent the tape from loosening, so you can apply the tape smoothly and accurately. And thanks to its translucent body, the dispenser lets you see how much tape is remaining. Number 2. Casio HR170RC Plus Min Desktop Printing Calculator. Mini desktop printing calculator with a big easy-to-read display and a host of features. This desktop printing calculator prints 2.0 lines per second with 2-color printing and cost/cell/margin functionality. Check and correct up to 150 steps and print after correction. Clock and calendar function prints time and date. Sub, total and grand total. Markup, MU, and markdown, MD, keys. 3-digit comma markers. Tax calculation. Shift key. Percent key %. Features. Check and correct function. After print function, print after correction. Clock and calendar function, print time and date. Reprint function, print duplicates, cost/cell/margin function. Number 3. Casio HR10RC Printing Calculator. 12-digit printing calculator features a large, easy-to-read LCD that showcases sharp digits to help prevent reading errors. Large keys are appropriately positioned for fast, accurate data entry to help minimize input errors. Compact size offers convenient portability to keep this calculator with you wherever you need. Dual power operation lets you use plug directly into an outlet or use 4 AA batteries for on-the-go use. Printing calculator also offers 150-step check and edit, after print function, reprint function, currency conversion, profit calculation, tax calculation, independent memory, 00 key and more. Features. Cost/cell/margin keys. Check and correct up to 150 steps. After print allows you to print after correction. Reprint multiple copies. Print speed lines/seconds, 1.6. Tax and exchange calculations. Number 4. Sharp EL1901 Paperless Printing Calculator with Check and Correct. Paperless printing calculator with a 12-digit display features a unique, powerful design that combines the power of a printing calculator with the functionality of a desktop calculator. 5-line, secondary LCD lets you scroll back and forth up to 300 lines to refer back to your previous calculations. Check and correct function allows you to quickly modify and recalculate entries for fast, simple updates. Cost/cell/margin keys simplify profit margin calculations by allowing you to simply enter 2 variables to automatically show the third variable. Calculator also includes 4-key memory, tax keys, change sign key, backspace key, rounding keys and more. Features. Paperless printing calculator is eco-friendly with no paper and no ink. Entries and results are sent to a 5-line display which scrolls up or down to see the last 300 entries. Full-size keyboard includes tax, cost/cell/margin, grand total, backspace, and memory keys. Quiet and fast. No printer noise and no waiting for the printer. Powered by AC adapter. Number 5. Casio DR210R Printing Calculator, Black. Printing calculator features a 2-color ink printer that allows you to quickly see both positive and negative numbers to help prevent reading errors. 12-digit display showcases crisp, sharp numbers, and is angled to keep your display conveniently positioned in a comfortable, easy-to-read location. Large keys are appropriately positioned for fast, accurate data entry to help minimize input errors. Calculator also includes sign change, tax calculation, cost/sell/margin calculations, change functions, two-way power source, and more. Features: two-color printer helps prevent reading errors. Angled display allows comfortable viewing on desktop. Large keys offer fast, easy data input for accurate use. Also includes sign change, tax calculation, and more.